I'm Laurel Guy and we're visiting 328-330 South Cayuga Street. This is a side-by-side downtown duplex. It works as owner-occupied or as an investment property. Many improvements. It's Bell Sherman Elementary and you can walk everywhere. A great location just steps from the Ithaca Commons. Each unit is 3 bedrooms and 1 bath. Check it out, it has a great backyard. Sorry, the vintage camper does not convey, but they are installing a new metal roof. There's good natural light. It's been freshly painted. There's hardwood floors, wide plank floors, and comfortable living spaces. Both units have a second floor office. It's been well maintained. Many replacement windows, high efficiency boiler, full insulation, and separate electric. 328-330 South Cayuga Street may be the right choice for you.